Sciatica is extremely painful and quite common in today's hectic life. It causes pain and discomfort to a lot of people. If this problem happens regularly, then you have to do something to make it stop. In this video, we will show you 10 home remedies for sciatica, which are incredibly useful and can cure you of this enormous pain. 1. Hot and cold compression. A hot or cold compress is one of the easiest and most effective ways to treat sciatic nerve pain. Take a cloth and dip it into warm water. After wringing out the excess water, place it on the body part where you feel the pain. Otherwise, you can also try the same process with cold water. However, make sure to consult a doctor so that you don't catch a cold. 2. Ginger oil. Oil massage is beneficial for curing sciatica pain. You can mix 5 drops of ginger oil with 1 tablespoon of jojoba or coconut oil. Heat or warm it by rubbing in between your palms and then gently massage the affected body parts. If the pain occurs at the back of your body, you should take the aid of someone else to massage that part. 3. Peppermint oil. Peppermint is well known for its pain-relieving quality. You can mix 4 drops of peppermint oil with coconut or even jojoba oil and massage the affected area with this mixture. Try it once or twice daily to gain the utmost benefit. Peppermint also helps to reduce inflammation since it has anti-inflammatory property. 4. Turmeric. Turmeric is famous for healing several internal or external injuries. Turmeric milk is incomparable once it comes to relieve sciatica pain. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric into 1 cup of milk and stir it well. Drink it once or twice daily in the morning and afternoon. 5. Celery juice. Celery juice is another natural way to treat sciatic nerve pain quite effectively. Add a cup of celery paste with 1 cup of water. Consume it along with honey so that the bitter taste is reduced. 6. Aloe Vera. Aloe Vera has numerous benefits, one of which is reducing the nerve unrest caused by sciatica pain. You should consume about 1/4 glass of freshly made aloe vera juice every day. Apart from this, you can also use aloe vera gel on your affected body area to heal the pain. It has a cooling effect that will give you some relief. 7. Chamomile tea. Chamomile is another ancient herb that is widely used for its medicinal properties. It is known to soothe and relieve pain. Chamomile herb is extremely beneficial in curing sciatica pain. Add chamomile herb with your tea and practice drinking it every day. 8. Vitamin and minerals. Vitamin and minerals are required for our body to function properly. Vitamin B12, D, and C are effective in reducing sciatica pain. Also, you should make it a point to consume 1,000 mg amount of magnesium and 2,000 mg amount of calcium every day to find relief from sciatica pain soon. 9. Practice good posture. Sciatica pain often grows out of sitting or sleeping in a bad posture. Such a posture affects the spine or the muscle joints, which, in turn, hurts. Practicing good posture rather than slumping can help relieve sciatic nerve pain as well. For example, you should maintain proper posture while sitting. Also, when you are sitting, try to change your posture every 20 minutes. Better posture will decrease the pressure on the lower back and decompresses the pressure on the sciatic nerve root. 10. Exercise. Exercise can cure several tremendous diseases, especially ones affecting physical posture. Proper exercise is very helpful in curing the sciatica pain. Often people tend to think that exercise increases physical pain, but it is the other way around. With regular exercise, your muscles will become tender and firm at the same time. The stronger your muscles become, the less likely you are to be affected by lower back pain. Stretching is very beneficial in reducing sciatica pain. Swimming and walking are also great ways to keep your back healthy as well as maintaining a healthy weight. Obesity plays an important role in causing low back pain because it puts more pressure on the joints. Thank you for watching our video. We hope these home remedies will help you cure your sciatica pain more effectively. Each of these remedies can be effective, but it's necessary to choose the right treatment for the underlying cause of your sciatica pain. Fortunately, a verified expert has recently released an online program teaching you how to cure sciatica pain in less than a week. If you genuinely want to get rid of your sciatica, don't hesitate to check the link in the description. Stop guessing and take action today.